Little Caesars' new drone delivers pizza in under 5 minutes. In a partnership with Flytrex, Little Caesars has launched the Sky 2 drone, which features a market-leading 8.8-pound payload capacity. This strength allows the machine to transport full family meals, such as 2 large pizzas and drinks, directly from the store to the customer. Currently live in Wiley, Texas, the service covers a 4-mile range with an impressive average flight time of only 4.5 minutes. Trish Husel, Vice President of Innovation at Little Caesars, highlighted the move as a major advancement in making the brand more accessible and convenient. The Sky 2's high weight capacity is made possible by its octocopter design, utilizing 8 rotors rather than the standard 4 or 6. This extra power allows it to lift heavy orders without the mechanical strain that limited previous delivery drones to small items or single snacks. Flytrex CEO Amit Regev noted that providing the food volume families actually want is a necessary step in evolving the market. By solving the payload issue, the octocopter shifts drone delivery from a novelty for small snacks into a practical solution for standard dinner orders. Flytrex has quickly scaled its operations, adding partners like Jersey Mike's and Raising Cane's to its roster. Following a successful pilot program in 2023, the company secured an investment from Uber last September to help push drone technology into a permanent commercial phase. While several other major chains like Chipotle and Chick-fil-A are running their own experiments, no universal standard for drone delivery has been established yet. These aerial efforts complement Little Caesars' recent digital push, which includes a ChatGPT integration that allows customers to order through the chatbot. These innovations follow a strong 2025 for the company, which saw sales reach approximately $4.5 billion across its 4,400 U.S. locations.